Hi, my name is Susanna and I'll give you an update on the latest additions to Axis Site Designer. In this release, we've made some updates related to Axis Audio Manager Pro. Recently, Axis Audio Manager Pro and Axis Camera Station Pro introduced a tighter integration between the two systems, as well as a new licensing model for Axis Audio Manager Pro. In Axis Site Designer, we have now added the option to add Axis Audio Manager Pro as an additional management software in your Axis Camera Station Pro recording solution, taking the new licensing model into account. In this project, there are already a number of devices, including 15 speakers. When you go to select your recording solution, you now have the option to add Axis Audio Manager Pro as an additional software. In the project requirements overview, you can see that you need a number of VMS licenses and 15 audio licenses for the speakers. If you already have a server, you can go to the License tab and add your subscription licenses. In this case, we will add an Axis Camera Station recorder. In the Server tab, you can see the number of included licenses in each server, both VMS licenses and audio licenses. After selecting a recorder, you can see in the overview that you have everything you need, both in terms of hardware and additional licenses for your software. We hope you found this video of interest. Thank you for watching.